Hello dear students, I'm Dr. Chandrakala HT. Welcome to the video classes on programming language using C. In this video, let's understand the comparison between the various programming languages. So the first comparison which we will be trying to understand is between the low-level language and high-level language. So on a computer, there are two broad categories of languages called low-level languages and high-level languages, which are used to write programs. Low-level languages are nothing but your machine language and assembly language. They are called as low-level language because they are machine-dependent languages. High-level languages, they are machine-independent languages, and they are more generic in nature. They can be used to develop portable programs. Now let's have a comparison between them. The low-level languages are difficult to learn and understand because they use either opcodes in binary or mnemonics, whereas high-level languages use English-like symbols, hence they are easy to learn and understand. The execution of low-level language happens at a high speed because they are more near to machine, or since they are machine dependent, and of course the machine language, it doesn't even require a translation for that matter, hence they execute at a higher speed, whereas high level language executes at a low speed because first the high level language has to be translated to machine language, so the translation phase adds certain delay. The low-level language allows little or no abstraction. So abstraction means hiding unwanted detail from the programmer. So in case of low-level language, the programmer has to know every detail about the hardware and its working, whereas high-level language allows much more abstraction. The user need not know about the inner structure of the computer or the working or data flow between the components at all. So without knowing much of the inner details, he can still write good programs there. Then the low-level languages, they are very close to the hardware, as I just told you. Hence, you can write the program at a hardware level itself. Whereas in case of high-level language, we cannot write hardware level programs because it doesn't specialize on hardware level programming. It is the application level programming and system level programming which we do in high level language. So to write low level language programs, hardware knowledge is a must, whereas for high level language the hardware knowledge is not mandatory. It's very difficult to modify programs written in low-level language, but it's quite easy to modify the same in high-level language. The instructions written in low-level language are directly mapped to processor instructions, whereas in case of high-level language, one single statement might execute several instructions inside the processor. So that one-to-one mapping is not there in high-level language. So this is the comparison between low-level language and high-level language. Now coming to the comparison between machine language and assembly language. So both are low-level languages, assembly language as well as machine level language. Both are low-level languages. Now what's the commonality or differences between these two is what we are going to discuss next. The machine language is the only language understood by the computer. The computer can understand machine language, whereas the assembly language is not understandable by the computer. It's only understandable by human beings. Machine language represents the data and instructions in the form of binary formats or at the max hexadecimal formats, whereas assembly language represents the operations in the form of mnemonics. Modifications and error fixing, they are quite difficult in case of machine language. So if at all errors occur in the program, it's quite difficult to spot them and correct them in machine language, whereas it's a little bit easier in assembly language. Machine language is very difficult to memorize and remember, whereas assembly language is easier to memorize and remember. Execution of machine language is faster, whereas it's slow. The execution of program written in assembly language is slow compared to that of machine language. And this slowness is because of the need for translation. Machine language programs do not require any special translator, whereas an assembler is required to execute assembly language program on the computer. Assembler translates a program written in assembly language to machine language. So this was about the comparison between three different programming languages which are used to write programs on a computer. Thank you.